Hi everyone, good morning. This is Vanji from Mom or Anne's Corner. I'm going to share to you today the project that I made. It's like a template made by scrap paper. So I'll just made one and then I'll show you the rest of the templates that I made. So I think this is the scrap. So I have so many scrap paper and this is just a few of them. And I have stickers here. So all I did is just combine all the scrap paper and design it with the stickers. So what I'm going to do is just layer some of these scrap papers that I have here. So like this one, I just have to find a way yeah, I think this is the one. So these are the scrap paper here. So you can see I just tried to match the color here and the paper that I had. So for sure I'm gonna use this one. So again, all you need to do is just get all your scrap paper and just design whatever you want to design with it. And this is one way of using. I know there's a lot of you who has scrap papers, and this is one way of using it. If you don't want to throw it, then that's the time we're gonna use this one. And I really am very I don't know how you call that one, but lately it was really fun doing this kind of project, knowing that you can really use your scrap paper in your stickers, because I am really into stickers. I have so many stickers, so I was just thinking, what should I do with my stickers and my scrap paper? So that's why I combine what I have, and this is what I've been doing lately for the past few days. And I had a great time and fun doing it. So here I just have to think, what should I do with this one? So if you have seen this one, this is a sticker from Dollar Tree. So I still have a lot of stickers, so I'm going to use this one today and just stick it there. So I decide whatever I want to put there. And another one is, I think I have to use this and put it here. Another thing is, I'm gonna use this one. So you can see I'm just doing whatever I can just paste in there. So I don't know, but I'm trying to make it center. Feel like it's not center, so what else? It seems like there's still lacking in it. So let's see. So I think I have to get the butterfly, since there's a flower in there, and I just have to put butterfly in here. So I think this would be enough. I don't know. So I just have to get a little here so it would be more. Do I still have to put something else? So bear with me, guys. Honestly, it would be a little challenging when you do a video and doing your project, thinking at the same time. So that's why well, I think this is it. This is it for this project. So this is what just I made for this scrap paper with together with the stickers, and I just want to show you the rest of the things that I've done. I put it here in the box so you can see that there's a lot of them already that I made. So this is one of these. I just showing you that I'll just combine anything what I had from my scrap papers and my stickers because I have lots of them, and this is one of the things that I made. So sometimes I don't know what's in your mind, but sometimes you just create whatever it is that you can create. So this is one of those that I have made. So you can see there's so many in here already. Today is the day in love. So some of them is like kind of unique kind of thing. Like this one's like an abstract design, but it will add beauty when you design it already when you with your other projects. So I made this already, so this would be a great thing to add to your other project, like doing some albums. So these are the things that I have made. So some of them are so cute, turns out so cute. Some of them are not really, but if once you design it in your project, it will turn out pretty, guys, honestly. So this is a combination of the scrap paper. So I just layered some of my scrap papers and just put some stickers in them, and you can see that these are the things that I've done. So you can imagine that I have a lot of scrap paper that has been used already here. So at least my scrap paper are lesser now. So these are the things that I have done. So I have to be fast because I have still this one. I find it so pretty. See, simple. It's just a sticker, some stickers in there, and just design it whatever that's in my mind. So that's one of these things that I've been doing for the past few days, and I just want to show you where I would be able to use this one. Like if you have remembered, I've been making this kind of flipbook envelope. You can use this as an album or a journal or whatever you want to use for this one. So if you have seen that one, I put one of the things that I made. It's like a template there that I just put in there, and it looks great. So those templates that I made, you can put it in some of your other project immediately. So there's no need for you to just think of what to design. So you just have to put in there. So one of the example is this one. I just put it there, and another one is this one. So I put a like a tuck in kind of thing in there. So this one also, these are one of the things that I created also from out of those template. Another thing is this one. I created another envelope flip book, which is more on the vintage kind of design. And I just put a template here. It says Love and Cheers Friendship. And when you open it up, another template here that I just put. And this is what also one of the things that I made. Seriously adorable. And this is a packet where you can put something in there. And there's another envelope pocket in there. Another one is this one. So I'm just showing you that what I made is something you can use from your other projects. So these are the things that I have made out from my scrap papers and my stickers. So I hope you have inspired by this idea, and I believe some of you have done this already, but I'm just showing you what I have done. So I find it very interesting and so fun making these things. And that's it for this video, guys. I'm just showing you one of the projects I've been doing, and I've been it's very fun for me. And so thank you so much for being with me, guys, and thanks so much for watching. Hope you continue to support me, support us. And for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can be part of our family and friends, and to know you more and to know you as well. And we're open. I'm open for swap. If you want to have a swap, just comment down below or just message me. And I think that's it. And thank you, and hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.